How to use Namecheap. Basically, Namecheap is a website that gives you a website where you can just transfer your website here to Namecheap. So if I choose a domain, you can just type search and Namecheap will give you all the possible combination to get a famous website like madara.com only for almost $6 with a promo code. You can secure your website, VPN, business card, and social media manager. And you can get other like Madara.inc, Madara XYZ, Madara Tech, Mindshot, .lat, .pro, .live, .co, and the amount of money changes from a website to another. You can customize it later, but the price is not constant. That's why it will take a lot of time to load. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.